Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please tell me that if I'm audible and visible to you clearly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Until now, 33 students have joined in this meeting. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes, and after that, we'll start with our lecture. Okay. Will that be okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the last week, I think we couldn't conduct lectures because of some of the your induction program was going on. Okay. In the last week, induction program चालू होता ना तुमचा?
Yes, sir.
That's why I couldn't conduct your lectures. That's why we are somewhat lagging. We have only done with only one lecture. So in this week we are having 2 lectures. So we will continue with our last topic that we were discussing about. Okay. So the number has increased. Now it's showing almost 39 participants have joined. Join fast so that we will start our lecture. We are having few time. Only 1 hour is there for our lecture. Now it has been reached to 40. Okay. So let's start with the lecture. First of all, let me share the screen. Please tell me that if the screen is visible or not.
Yes, sir, visible.
Visible.
Yes. Okay. As all of you can see the screen and hear me properly, let's continue with our lecture. So just a minute. Okay. Yes. So let's start with our lecture today. As we are conducting this lecture in the new year. First of all, wish you all very happy new year. This is our first lecture in new year. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's continue with the lecture. So in the last lecture, what we have discussed about? मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण काय बघितलं? एक लेक्चर झालं होतं आपलं.
What is language and importance of English?
Yes. So what is language? Can anybody tell me? What's the language?
It's a method through which we can share our ideas and thought.
Yes, very correct. It's the method, or we can say that it is the way through which we can share our ideas or thoughts. Whatever ideas or thoughts we are having in our mind, okay, that we share with the help of the language. Also, we can share our ideas and thoughts with the signs also. Okay, signs. So there are two types of languages. Okay, one of them is verbal language and other is non-verbal language. Okay, sometimes what we do, we communicate with the person in front of us with the help of signs. Means language of sign. Okay, आपण काय करतो, कधी कधी साइन्स वापरतो, वेगवेगळे आपण काय करतो, पोस्चर्स, गेस्चर्स करतो आणि आपण त्यांना समोरच्याला मेसेज द्यायचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. बरोबर आहे का हे? इज इट ट्रू?
Yes, sir.
Generally we have the two types of languages, that is verbal language and the non-verbal language. Through verbal languages we can send our message with the help of speech. Okay, आपण काय करतो, तर बोलण्यामधून आपण व्हर्बल लँग्वेजेस जर आपण वापरत असू तर काय करतो, आपण बोलतो समोरच्याशी, कम्युनिकेशन करतो भाषेचा वापर करून, थ्रू द लँग्वेज और थ्रू द स्पीच. ओके, and through the non-verbal language, that is the language of sign. Okay, generally most of the time, okay, most of the time we make use of non-verbal languages. So if we want to show a way, or if you want to what we can say, if there is a person who cannot speak, okay, if there is a person who cannot speak, so how do we convey message to that person? With the help of signs.
Action signs.
Actions,
Signs.
yes, we make actions. Okay, we make actions, we make different signs to tell him the address, or we use the gestures. Okay, we use the gestures, different signs. Okay, so signs, actions, gestures, these are the terms which come under the non-verbal communication. In this type of communication, generally we make use of our postures, gestures and signs. But in verbal language or verbal communication, generally we make use of language, that is we speak by using the language and we convey our message, we send our message to the person whom we want to speak or whom we want to talk. Okay, so that's why there are two types of languages, that is verbal and non-verbal. Okay, हे कळलं का? समजला का हा मुद्दा?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's yes, also in the first lecture we have seen that what is the language. So language is the method, okay, or the way through which we communicate with the person whom we want to communicate. ज्याच्याशी आपल्याला कम्युनिकेशन करायचंय त्याच्याशी आपण काय करतो, त्याच्याशी बोलतो, कम्युनिकेट करतो, कशाचा यूज करून? बाय द use of the language. Okay, so that's why language is the primary source. Primary means what? It is very basic source. we can use signs and non-verbal communication also, but the language is very primary source of the communication, and its method means it's the way through which we share our ideas and thoughts. Also, we can say that there might be I cannot have that number, but we can say that there are thousands of languages in the world. Why? Because there are more than 190 countries we can find. Okay, and each of the country is having its own mother tongue, or we may call it as either the regional language. Regional language म्हणजे काय, तर त्या प्रांताची जी भाषा असते तिला आपण काय म्हणतो, रिजनल लँग्वेज. ओके, आपण जेव्हा एखाद्या फॉरेन कंट्रीला जातो, when we go to the foreign countries like America, US, USA, UK, United Kingdom, or European countries like France, okay, Italy. So we use, either we have to use their own language. Okay, there we cannot use our Hindi language or Marathi language. Why? Because Hindi or Marathi or any other language, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, is not a common language to speak with the person who is not from our country or who is not from our region. आपण either तिथं त्यांची भाषा वापरली पाहिजे, either आपण जर समजा फ्रान्स मध्ये असू, पॅरिस मध्ये असू, तर either we have to use French language because they don't know other languages like Hindi language, or we can say that different Indian regional languages, but they do know the English language because England is not far from that country. Okay, only Bay of Sea, Mediterranean Sea, I think भूमध्य समुद्र असं आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो. तर त्या दोन कंट्री मध्ये फक्त काय आहे, तर एक खाडी आहे. खाडी म्हणजे एक समुद्र आहे आणि त्याची छोटीशी पट्टी, वी कॅन से दॅट छोटीशी अशी खाडी आहे. तर ओनली दॅट सेपरेट्स द ब्रिटन और इंग्लंड फ्रॉम द अदर युरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट. Okay, that's why there is not too much difference between these countries, and French people can understand English language. Okay, either they will use their own language, French, or either they will use or they will try to speak or try to communicate with you people with the English language. So हा difference आहे. Okay, that's why we should learn this language. त्यामुळे आपल्याला काय केलं पाहिजे, तर ही लँग्वेज शिकली पाहिजे. वी शुड ट्राय टू स्पीक, नॉट दॅट आय कॅन से दॅट यू हॅव टू बी व्हेरी फ्लुएंट इन युअर इंग्लिश. ओके, अशी काही कंडिशन नाहीये की तुम्ही फक्त ब्रिटिशांसारखंच त्या इंग्लिश लोकांसारखंच एक टोन काढून तुम्ही इंग्लिश बोललं पाहिजे. You can use your tone. Our Indian English is very good, even more than that European countries people. Okay, European country मधले सुद्धा लोक आपल्या इतकं चांगल्या पद्धतीनं इंग्लिश बोलू शकत नाहीत, पण आपण ते बोलू शकतो. तर हा डिफरन्स आहे की आपण थोडं पुढं आहोत. पुढं म्हणजे कशा बाबतीत, बिकॉज कारण काय आहे, तर आपल्यावर 150 वर्षांपेक्षा जास्त काय केलेलं आहे, तर इंग्लंड या देशानं राज्य केलेलं आहे. ते त्यामुळं थोडासा तो इम्पॅक्ट, दॅट इम्पॅक्ट दे केप्ट बिहाइंड अस, बिहाइंड देम, अँड दॅट्स वाय वी आर क्वाइट गुड ॲट द इंग्लिश लँग्वेज. ओके, so that's also we have discussed in the last lecture. Also some of the points, which points we have discussed? Yes, so yes, the last point in this slide is some languages are spoken by millions of people, others by only few thousand. So there are some of the languages which are spoken by millions of people. So which are these languages? Can anybody tell me which are the languages which is spoken by millions of people? Yes.
English.
English आहे,
English.
हिंदी आहे, चायनीज पण आहे बघा, चायनीज सुद्धा लँग्वेज, कारण चायनाचं पॉप्युलेशन खूप जास्त आहे. ओके, आपल्यापेक्षा the population of China is more than India. That's why Chinese is also spoken by millions of people. In India, Hindi. Yes, can anybody want to express his thoughts? No? So, okay. So in India also, the Hindi population means Hindi speaking population is in large numbers other than other regional languages. म्हणजे हिंदी लँग्वेज ही सुद्धा काय इंडियामध्ये, आपल्या भारतामध्ये जास्त बोलली जाणारी लँग्वेज आहे. Why does it so? Because the different states, that is northern states, okay, northern states like UP, Bihar, Uttarakhand, then MP, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and some of the other states also are having Hindi as its regional language, and more than 4 to 5 states are there in India. There we can find that majority of the people are using Hindi as a language of communication, and that's why this language is spoken by millions of people in India also. But this is not an mother tongue or only official language of India. ही जी लँग्वेज आहे हिंदी, ती नॉर्थन पीपल बोलतात म्हणून काय ती आपली ऑफिशियल लँग्वेज आहे असं म्हणायचं काय कारण नाही. बिकॉज इन इंडिया यू कॅन फाइंड दॅट more than 29 states are there. I think more than or equal to 29 states are there. 29 राज्य आपल्या भारतामध्ये आहेत. And 3 to 4 union territories like Andaman Nicobar and Diu Daman or other. And also now they have took the decision of making Kashmir as union territory. That's why it is divided into 2 parts, that is Kashmir and Ladakh. So we can count it also as an union territory. So in India itself, you will find that 29 languages, 29 different states are there, and each state is having its own regional language or mother tongue or official language. So talking about Maharashtra, we are having Marathi as our official language or regional language. But no any language is called as our official language or our mother tongue. No any language is there which is called as our mother tongue, because though Hindi speaking people are there, also in South India, okay, in the south part of India, the people of the south or South Indian people are very much proud of their culture and their language. Okay, तर साऊथ मध्ये काय आहे, तर ते साऊथ चे जे लोक आहेत त्यांना त्यांची जी रिजनल लँग्वेज आहे, means if we go to the Kerala, then we will find that the people of Kerala are using only Malayalam language, or either they will speak with you by using English language. Okay, तर केरलाचे जे लोक आहेत ते काय करतात, either they will speak with you in their language, that is Malayalam language, or they will use English language. if you don't have the knowledge of that language, Malayalam language, then you cannot communicate with those people. Also, if you don't know to use English language, then also the same situation will happen in your life, and the communication between you and that people from South Indian region won't be established. तर काय होईल, कम्युनिकेशन गॅप तयार होईल आणि कम्युनिकेशन साधताच येणार नाही, आपल्याला कम्युनिकेट करता येणार नाही. वाय? बिकॉज we don't know their language. Okay, we don't know their language. आपण त्यांची भाषा आपल्याला माहिती आहे का? नाही माहिती. And if we cannot speak English language, then how come they will entertain you? ते तुम्हाला का हे करतील, का विचारतील? तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय केलं पाहिजे, तर this English language, that basic knowledge of this language should be there with us. Okay, so that's why this makes the English language okay, so that's why we can say that there in world we can find thousands of languages that are spoken all over the world. Okay, then another yes, so also we have discussed in the last lecture about why to learn English language. Okay, why to learn this language, why do we learn English language? So also we have seen the reasons of that. कुठली कारण बघितली आपण, कुठले रिझन्स पाहिले आपण, कशासाठी आपण शिकतो इंग्लिश लँग्वेज? Can anybody tell? Yes.
आपल्या आयडिया दुसऱ्यांना सांगण्यासाठी.
Yes, correct. To share our ideas, आपल्या आयडिया ज्या काही आपल्या डोक्यामध्ये असतील त्या शेअर करण्यासाठी. अजून
Sir, repeat the question, please.
So see, whatever we have learned in the last lecture, that that portion I have asked the question about why do we learn English. आपण ही लँग्वेज इंग्लिश जी आहे ती का शिकली पाहिजे, कशासाठी? अजून कुणाला काही रिझन सापडतात का त्याचे?
Sir, because nowadays English is the most important language. It is also known as international language. We
Yes.
can communicate with peoples in other countries because most of people know English.
Yes, correct, very correct. So we can yes, anybody want to speak?
The language of globalization is English. So all
Yes.
industries are using English language. So in order to survive in the race, we must learn English.
Very correct, very good. So in order to survive to the race of the world, okay, आपल्याला या जगाच्या शर्यतीत जर राहायचं असेल, in order to survive to the race of the world, we must know the use of this language. We should use this language. Also, we should speak this language to be in the race of the world. Okay, तर हे एक रिझन झालं. अजून काय रिझन आहेत? We have seen in the last lecture also. The slide is also in front of you people. Globalization, yes. Also, one of the students has told that because of the globalization, okay, because of the globalization, and English is the global language or universal language. We may call it as universal language. Universal means what? Has spread all over the universe or world. We can say that world. So world is small entity, but we can say that universe also. because as man has stepped on the moon also and also to the Mars. Okay, so man has stepped on Mars also. मंगळावर सुद्धा आपण काय केलेलं आहे तर उतरलेलो आहेत. म्हणजे man hasn't stepped on Mars, but we have sent the ships, spaceships on that planet, and there we have sent some of the devices, or we can say that communicator, or we can say that technological devices that we have sent there. We can say that it as a buggy. एक आपण बग्गी सुद्धा मंगळावरती काय पाठवली होती. ओके, and for communication purpose, so remote sensor also we have used. Okay, so remote sensor, and through the remote sensor that buggy was sending the messages or pictures on that Mars or on that moon. Okay, so this language has crossed the borders of our earth also. Means this language has spread on, or we can say that this language has been sent on that planet also. Okay, with the help of the technology. Okay, so we can say that this as a universal language, universally accepted language. Okay, पूर्ण जगानं काय केलेलं आहे तर ही लँग्वेज जी आहे ती मान्य केलेली आहे फॉर द कॉमन रिझन और फॉर द कम्युनिकेशन पर्पज, नॉट ॲज फर्स्ट लँग्वेज और मदर टंग, बट जस्ट अ कॉमन लँग्वेज टू build a contact or to build a communication. We have been using this language from many years. Okay, so this is also the one of the reason, that is globalization. Okay, globalization. Then yes, also one of the reason to learn this language is to get a job. Okay, for getting a good salaried job, एखादा चांगल्या पगाराची आपल्याला जर नोकरी पाहिजे असेल, for getting a good salaried job, it is very necessary to know this language. It is very necessary to make use of this language for communication purpose or for speaking purpose. Okay, that's why this is also one of the reasons to learn the English language. Okay, सर हे एक कारण आहे की आपण त्यामुळे इंग्लिश लँग्वेज शिकली पाहिजे. ओके, सो इज दिस पॉइंट कवर्ड और इज दिस पॉइंट अंडरस्टूड बाय ऑल ऑफ यू? हा समजला का मुद्दा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we proceed then? Let's move towards the next point. Yes, another reasons to learn English means the same point we have discussed in the last slide, that is reasons to learn English, but it is
Sir,
yes,
still it is first slide.
still it is
First slide.
Sir, only first slide is visible.
previous slide आहे सर.
ही दिसत नाही तुम्हाला? reasons to learn English दिसते का?
No, sir.
No,
It
sir.
is importance of English.
एकच मिनिट, just a minute. Some technical error has arisen. Just a second. Yes, please tell me if it is visible or not?
Yes, sir,
Distekar,
it is visible.
is it visible?
Why do we
Yes, sir.
learn English?
Okay, so yes, we have covered the second point also. So third point is the extension of that point only. We are going to understand the reasons to learn English. Okay, so what are the reasons are there? That's why we learn this language as a language for the communication purpose. That is there in this point. So first reason is it is essential for work. See this point, it is essential for work. So where do we use this language? कुठं कुठं आपण वापर करू शकतो याचा?
In office,
College.
Yes, in the office, in the college.
For education purpose.
Yes, very good. So we use also for the education purpose. So you are learning this language from your childhood itself. Okay, तुमच्या लहानपणापासून. I might be right or wrong, but when this subject was introduced in your syllabus, English कधीपासून आहे तुम्हाला? First
First
standard
standard.
पासून?
First standard.
First standard.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So yes, I'm right that this subject has been introduced to you people from the first standard itself. So you are learning this subject from your childhood itself, from I think more than 10 years. You are learning this subject. Okay. So we were not that much lucky because for me, it was 5th standard when this subject was introduced to us. मला 5व्या येतात म्हणजे 5वीत असताना हा सब्जेक्ट आमच्या सिलेबस मध्ये इंट्रोड्यूस केला होता. ओके, so you people are very lucky that you are learning it from first standard itself. So yes, so we were discussing about the reasons. So it is essential for work, means what? Official work. Okay, whatever the work that is doing, the people are doing in the offices. Different offices are there, means corporation office is there. Okay, then Tahsil office is there. Okay, so some different offices are there, like irrigation offices, or we can say that different IT sectors also, international IT sectors, or we can say that MNCs. MNCs means what? Multinational companies like Wipro, TCS. Okay, Wipro, TCS, Google. Yes, Google, Facebook, then Twitter. Yes, Twitter is also there. So these are some of the MNCs. In India, talking about India, we are having different companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, Communes. So these are the IT companies. Okay, information technology companies. And in these companies also, if you're not able to speak English language, then they won't select you for their job purpose. Or if you go to them and if you want to get their job, okay, if you want to get the job of these companies, they will check either you are able to speak in English or not. They will check it by taking your interview, by checking your knowledge of speaking, checking your knowledge for communication, GD, that is group discussion. Okay, so this is the reason. That's why it is very essential to learn this language. Okay, to learn to speak this language, not only to write, not only to read, but also to speak. Okay, so that's why it becomes essential for work. This is the first reason. Second reason is it is universal language. So this point we have discussed in the before some few minutes. Okay, it is universal language. Why it is universal? Because it has spread all over the world. Okay, in each and every country, if you go, then you will see that English speaking people are there. You will find there are some people who are the speakers of the English. Okay, not all can speak English. Okay, you won't find all as the English speakers, but some of the people are there. You will find them. Okay, that's why this language has reached all over the world, and it is called as the universal language. Okay, the third point is it will open the door of new cultures. Okay, so different cultures are there. Means what? Cultures. What is mean by the culture? What's the meaning of culture? Marathi meaning, can anybody tell me?
Sanskriti.
Yes, Sanskriti. Yes. So we will find our culture, okay, our Indian culture is different than the Western culture or Western countries. So you will see that there are two types of culture, Eastern culture and the Western culture. We Indian people are following the Eastern culture. We are Eastern people, and they are to the west side of India, or to the west side of the world. Okay, so that's why they are called as the Western countries or Western people, and the culture they are following is called as the Western culture. So you can you are well known about the Western culture, how they dress, how their sense is there, and how they make their life, how they behave in society, and what is the way, in what way do we behave in our society. So there is the difference between Eastern culture and Western culture, and this difference, this gap can be filled. Okay, this gap can be filled. This gap, if we want to fill this gap, we have to make a connection between these two. Okay, a connection, or we have to make a contact between. Yes. So what we were discussing about cultures, no? Culture बद्दल आपलं चाललं होतं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हे स्क्रीन दिसते का बरोबर? परत एकदा.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So yes, we were discussing about the culture. So there are two types of culture. Means we are having this knowledge that there are Eastern culture and Western culture. These are the two cultures. We are following the Eastern culture, as we are Indian people. We are Eastern region people. That's why our culture is different from those the culture from West. Okay, that's why. And to know the differences, to know the similarities of the new cultures, this language also helps us to understand the door, or we can say that this language is used as a door of the new culture. आपण काय करतो, दार उघडतो घराचं. ओके, आणि आपण काय बघतो, तर बाहेर काय निसर्ग वगैरे असं आपण निरीक्षण करतो, किंवा खिडकी उघडतो आपण, आणि त्यातनं आपण काय करतो, बाहेर बघतो. वी try to observe whatever going on, what's the difference and what's the similarities of the last day and the day that is today. Okay, so त्या पद्धतीनेच आपण काय केलं पाहिजे, तर या लँग्वेजचा वापर, इंग्लिश लँग्वेजचा वापर आपण एखाद्या डोर सारखा केला पाहिजे जगाकडे बघण्यासाठी. ओके, सो दिस इज द थर्ड पॉइंट. The fourth point is you will travel comfortably. So for traveling purpose, okay, if you want to make a tour on the European countries like Britain or Italy or France. Okay, so these are the European countries. So if you want to make a tour on them, and if you don't have the knowledge of the English, then how come you will contact with them, or how come you will communicate with those people who don't know even your language? So that makes the difficulty. आपण समजा आता ईस्टर्न किंवा आपण युरोपियन कंट्रीच्या टूरला गेलोय आणि समजा आपल्याला इंग्लिश लँग्वेज बोलायचं माहित नसेल, तर कॉन्टॅक्ट किंवा कम्युनिकेशन करणं पॉसिबल होणार आहे का? तर इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. वाय? बिकॉज आयदर दे विल एंटरटेन यू इफ यू नो देअर लँग्वेज. ओके, त्या कंट्रीमध्ये तुम्ही जाताय तर त्यांची लँग्वेज तुम्हाला माहित असली पाहिजे, or you will have to know a common language like English, because either they will speak with you in their language, or they will try to communicate with you. ते प्रयत्न करतील इंग्लिश समजण्याचा. इंग्लिश त्यांना बोलता जरी येत नसेल तरी सुद्धा ते काय करतील, इंग्लिश समजण्याचा प्रयत्न करतील. So if you are good at English, then your traveling becomes the comfortable. So that is also one of the reason. Then fifth, another reason is it is the most open language. It is the most open language. So why do we are calling it as the most open language? Because the words, okay, the words we are adding to this language, or we can see that this language is including the words from all over the world. या लँग्वेज मध्ये काय केलं जातं, तर अदर कंट्रीज, बाहेरच्या ज्या कंट्री आहेत त्या लँग्वेजेस मधले सुद्धा वर्ड्स यामध्ये इन्क्लूड केले जातात. दे आर इन्क्लुडिंग द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड, द कंट्रीज फ्रॉम ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आता एक्झाम्पल काय आहे तर याचं, तर आय थिंक रोटी, इन हिंदी वी आर कॉलिंग रोटी फॉर दॅट. आपण जी रोटी खातो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, रोटीच म्हणतो. बट that was not the word before in the English language, but they have included this word in before some of the years. Okay, आधी हा वर्ड त्यांच्या लँग्वेज मध्ये नव्हता, पण as this word they are using, or they हा वर्ड जेव्हा त्यांच्याकडे गेला तेव्हा तो त्यांनी काय केला तर इन्क्लूड केला. इन देअर लँग्वेज फॉर रोटी दे आर युझिंग ब्रेड. ओके, दे आर युझिंग ब्रेड. आपण काय म्हणतो, रोजी रोटी किंवा जेवण असं जेव्हा आपण म्हणायचा प्रयत्न करतो आपल्या लँग्वेज मध्ये, सो दे कॉल इट ॲज ब्रेड अँड बटर. ब्रेड अँड बटर. ओके, सो दिस इज द सम ऑफ द डिफरन्सेस बिटवीन द टू लँग्वेजेस, that is Hindi and English. But we can call it as the most open language for communication purpose. They are adding different words like roti, chukki, okay, tandoor. These are the some of the words they are including in their own languages. Okay, so this is also one of the reason. Then another is language of art and literature. So all of you know that the writers from all over the world, okay, the writers from all over the world are choosing this language for writing purpose. Okay, why do they choose this language? का ही लँग्वेज चूज केली जाते रायटर्स कडनं, लेखकांकडनं, किंवा
Because it is universal language.
Universal language.
Yes, because this language is universal language. If anybody wants to be famous, okay, if anybody wants to be famous as a writer or poet or literary figure, then he will choose English language for reaching all over the world. त्याला एखादा रायटर जर असेल, जर त्याला पूर्ण जगामध्ये जर ओळख मिळवायची असेल, if he wants to be known, well known personality in all over the world, he will choose English language, because this language is the universal language. This language has spread at all corners of the world. कुठेही जावा तुम्ही, you will find at least one person who is speaking or who is using this language. That's why for becoming known, okay, for becoming a known personality, the writers choose to write in the English language. And it is also the language of art. So artists are also using this language. They are also performing their arts. Okay, they are performing their arts like drama. Okay, आपण नाटक पाहतो, ड्रामा बघतो एखादा, तर तो जो ड्रामा आहे तो ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड, सगळ्या जगभरात जर पोहोचवायचा असेल तर दॅट आर्टिस्ट should perform that drama in English. Okay, so for that purpose also they are choosing the language of art and literature as the English language. And the last is not that much important. It eliminates the language weaknesses. So whatever the weaknesses we are having about the language, they are eliminated by using this language. So these are the some of the reasons to learn English language. Okay, so ही जे आहेत ती काय आहेत तर reasons आहेत इंग्लिश लँग्वेज का शिकली पाहिजे ह्याची. ओके, तर ही समजली? Is it understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's move towards the next point, that is the power of the English language. What is the power? Why this language is the powerful language, or why this language becomes the powerful, that we are going to see. Yes, we are having 10 minutes. So shall we first take attendance and then we will continue this part? First we will have to take the attendance. Okay, अटेंडन्स आधी घेऊन नंतर आपण हे करायचं का, बघायचं कोणता?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तर आधी आपण अटेंडन्स घेऊ. Just a minute. Okay. Has anybody remained for giving attendance? Okay, so all of you, I consider that all of you here are present, has given the attendance. Okay, so yes, so today we have discussed about the importance of the language. Why do we learn English? Okay, and the reasons that we also have discussed. So the power of the English language, or the why this language is called as the most powerful language, that we are going to discuss. But as it's only 1 or 2 minutes, just we will see the one of the points and then we will stop here. So people, the first point is people know the importance of it, and that is why this is the language which is taught as the basic language in every state. So all of you know that why this language has become so much important. Okay, this language becomes global language, universal language, because the language is mostly used all over the world, and no other language is as much used as this language. Okay, या लँग्वेज इतकी दुसरी कुठली लँग्वेज यूज केली जाते का इतर मध्ये, पूर्ण जगामध्ये नाही यूज केली जात. ओके, That's why this is the language which is known as the communication language or common language for the communication purpose. Okay. Then second is speaking internationally. It would be really difficult to prosper in this world without knowing English. So is it possible for us to prosper? Prosper means what? To live. Okay. Prosper means what? To live in this world. For living in this world with a good job, good status, is it possible without this language?
No.
No.
Sir.
This becomes impossible to prosper in this world without this language. Why? Because this language has some status. I don't underestimate our Hindi language or our Indian languages or our regional languages, but this is the language which is the most important. Our language, our mother tongue is also important. Okay, no doubt in that. But this language is also too much importance for getting, for earning purpose, for earning purpose. Earning means what? Earning money, getting job. Okay, so that's why this is the language which we call the importance language. Okay, so that is much from this lecture. We are running out of time. The next teacher has reached here. Okay, तर आपण इथं आता थांबूया. Okay, we will cover this next points in this chapter in the next lecture. Tomorrow we will cover these points. Okay, उद्या आपल्याकडे lecture आहे एक. Okay, so shall we stop here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
समजते ना शिकवलेलं काय?
Yes, sir.
हो
Yes.
Yes, sir.
काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे कोणाला काय शिकवण्याबद्दल?
नाही
स्पीड कमी जास्त मीडियम काय वाटतंय असं काय?
नो सर चांगलं आहे
ठीक आहे. ओके, थँक्यू फॉर युअर रिप्लाय. थँक्यू. सो विल स्टॉप हिअर and see you in the next lecture. Thank you for attending this lecture.